Welcome back to Load and Go Rentals and Service. Here we have one of our favorite Whirlpool dryers. We see a lot of these. They go bad. This is a really popular model with a lot of people. Customer was complaining that this dryer is no longer drying any clothes, not heating up anymore. So what we do is to check out all the sensors on the dryer, heating elements behind here. Also clean out the lint catcher right there. And come to find out, it was just a bad sensor. So replace it. Now this dryer is working brand new. Easy peasy.